found out my brake switch was actually not working all the time. Kind of found it out by accident. I'll show you the fix. Now you see it works every time. I just barely press the pedal. I wanted to show you how to repair your brake switch on your Crown Vic or other Panther car. So basically, this here is corroded, not making a good connection. At least that's what I believe based on everything. That goo in there is dielectric tune-up grease that I put in there, hoping that it just needed that. But I think, looking at this, that was needing a little TLC. So I cleaned it off. I'm going to tin it with some solder, put it back in. Basically, this cover here, it's got 3 tabs. One there, one there, and one there. And it just pops off. Just be gentle with it. And then you've got the 5 connectors in there, and the 2 on the end, the one that I've pulled out, and that one, when you press the brake pedal, that little plunger squeezes them together, and that just lifts out. I just used needle nose, just lifted it out of there. I put a little flux on there. Tin my iron here, and then I'll just basically try to dab some solder on here and make it stick, kind of build it up. Alright, I tested continuity between my solder and the end, and there is continuity there. Continuity, none. Continuity, none. So it is working now. I'm going to put it back in the car. I put some tune-up grease on there just to hopefully keep that from corroding. And so that just snaps back on. 1, 2, 3 tabs. And that just goes back in the car. Basically, the plug down. And you see there's a cutout here, so you put the brake arm, kind of fits up like this and then slides through. There's no way I can film putting that in the car. There's just not, but that's how it goes. There's a little arm. It'll basically slide up and then push through, and then there's a little cotter pin type lock pin that you put in the little plastic cover over the cotter pin, and then plug in your electrical.